Hi guys, glad to see you all once again. This episode was supposed to be about microcosmos hierarchy, of course, but once again there is a thing that kind of spoils the topic. This time it is an objective reason though, and as you may have noticed, I had a running nose in the previous episode, and it was due to allergy. So today the symptoms just got worse, so I can barely speak. And I don't want to explore important topic while I'm literally choking. So yeah. Anyway, let's move to the week review. First of all, let's talk about the C Sharp effort. And as usual, here I had a nice breakthrough regarding my lead code problems. And as I've stated in the previous episode, I hit a wall with my attempt to do different graph search algorithms. So I lost my previous streak. But this week I returned to BFS/DFS again. And this time I was able to push through my first problem, which was lead code 100. It was about comparing two trees. And it appeared to be a really easy problem. And the only new concepts that were kind of needed for the problem were the stack and the queue data structures. And once I fully understood them, like how stack and queue work, I was able to create a simple BFS algorithm solution for the problem. So yeah, after this breakthrough, hope this trick will continue. And let's move to the university part. Here I have both bad and good news, and let's start with the bad one. And it is that my thesis actually bugging once again. Just can't force myself to do it, so kind of need to come up with a new strategy and expectations about my thesis, because I think that a lack of strategy kind of hinders the motivation, and expectations burden and slow me down. But still have time to do it though, so just don't want to procrastinate once again, and to be able to complete to successfully write it. I think that's the proper cadence of writing needed and the habit. So yeah. Now let's move to the good news. Then the good news are actually that I completed my admission to the Technische Universität Berlin and had to go through a couple challenges actually, mainly regarding payments, but still was able to do this, so I'm happy. And the next wave of admission will be in the first half of May, so for now, just waiting, chilling, sitting there, writing my thesis. Now let's talk about the habits part. Here I have an announcement, kinda, that I created an experimental column where I will test my new habits and efforts before incorporating them into the kind of production leap. This time I added one more habit about sports, and according to my definition of the habit is a specific action that you must do on a daily basis. So, of course, there are like habits with another cadence, but that's the topic for the microcosms hierarchy video. And for my new habit, I decided to do an exercise for my back. The exercise is quite simple. I have to sit right to the wall and start to move my hands up and down, like stick to the wall. Um, this should help me to get more stable at the core and develop some muscle groups of my back. This also should help me with the posture. So I really think that this exercise is great. Is a great thing. Um, the teeth brushing habit is still stable, so nothing to talk about it. Just brushing my teeth daily twice, and quite happy with that. What about my world event again? With the habits, like as with the habits, the world event is stable. I'm happy that I found a suitable format of interaction with algorithms, which is an opt out by default format, and I do not plan to change this format anytime soon. Knowing my personality, at least I hope so, to not to change the format. Well, that's all I wanted to talk about today. This one was rather short, and one thing I've noticed while I was typing the script is that this format of kind of reporting could be quite boring to watch. And while its main purpose is to build credibility for me, so it it isn't supposed to be interesting. Just a checkout, daily checkout that I was doing something. I mean, weekly checkout, of course. Um, so I think that interesting ideas should be uploaded as separate videos. So because I think they deserve kind of separate video with interesting background. Maybe simple game footage will be okay. Maybe some other footages. So yeah. Well, now that's actually it. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy. Don't um, don't die from allergy. And bye bye.